DIY landform.
Good morning, class. The Philippines is blessed with the richness of its land. We are surrounded with different landforms that supply us with natural resources. Can you name some of these landforms?
Mountain, valley.
Very good. Some of the landforms that we are familiar with are mountains and valleys. So for today's activity, we are going to create a landform using different materials, and we will describe it based on its structure. You will need sand or clay, water, miniature artificial plants and trees, small rocks or pebbles, and a small jar. Choose a known Philippine landform or a natural landform in your area as your model for this activity. Research its physical features and the organisms that live in it. Create your landform model using clay or wet sand. If you are making a model of a mountain, hill, or volcano, you may use the small jar as the base of your landform. Use small rocks, pebbles, and artificial plants for decoration. What did you observe from the activity? Answer the following questions. How would you describe the landform that you made? What are the organisms that may be found in this landform? How do the physical features of the landform affect the organisms that live in it? After discussing the answer, you need to write what you have learned in this activity.